The main legal update in property and casualty insurance that the Oklahoma Insurance Department wanted insurance professionals in the state to be aware of has to do with limited lines insurance. Senate Bill 886 amends an existing statute in Title 36 and establishes a new one. The first major change we'll note is the addition of a new insurance category, which limited lines producers licensed in the state can specialize in. Prepaid legal liability, crop, car rental, credit, surety insurance, or bonds, and travel were the main categories producers could choose from. Now, self-service storage insurance is also part of that list. Self-service storage insurance is the type of personal property insurance offered to occupants of a self-service storage facility in connection with and incidental to the rental of space at said facility. This insurance covers losses and damages to personal property when such a loss or damage occurred on site. Personal property that was lost or damaged in transit to or from the facility is also covered, so long as it coincides with the terms of the rental agreement. An owner of such facility who holds a limited lines license is allowed to offer this type of coverage. The owner must hold the license in order to do so. However, his or her employees and authorized personnel may sell, solicit, or offer coverage on behalf of the owner to other branch locations. If the owner does appoint representatives to perform these activities on his or her behalf, then the owner must maintain a registry of agents. On that registry, the particular facility that each agent operates at under the owner's purview must be identified. It is the owner's responsibility to ensure his or her agents are complying with the laws on these matters. Training must be provided to employees who will serve as agents to the owner. Facility owners who allow promotional brochures about insurance to be on display are not required to be licensed, provided they are not the one selling the coverage. When brochures and flyers for self-service storage insurance are made available to prospective purchasers, regardless if they're printed, attached to an email, or shown in a video advertisement, they must contain a disclosure that this insurance may provide a duplication of coverage already provided by a homeowner's insurance policy, renter's insurance policy, or other source of coverage for the occupant. It also must be made clear that a leasee is not required to purchase this insurance in order to lease the storage space. Certain identifiers must also be apparent in the promotional materials. Include the identity of the insurer, the identity of the owner, if different, the process for filing an insurance claim, and the fact the insured may cancel coverage at any time and receive a refund for any unearned portion of the premium already paid. Be aware that the Insurance Commissioner of Oklahoma may request the owner's books and records to verify whether insurance regulations are being obeyed or not. This could include copies of all advertisements. The commissioner must provide 10 days' notice before expecting to have access to the owner's materials. That is not to give the owner time to forge, alter, destroy, or otherwise tamper with the documents. If anything, it is time to collect all the papers and files together for review amidst regular working activities. Insurance premiums should be separately itemized on an occupant's bill. Owners can charge fees for billing and collection. They are not required to segregate insurance premium payments from other funds in separate accounts. However, remember that owner licensees pay dues to the commissioner for the privilege of licensure. This license is good for 2 years.